Okay, first thing I do is I've had this all prepped up. I have my tape put on here. I got my covering cut off to expose the balsa. I got my ends all sanded on both sides. On the bottom of this, I have my ball link all put in, and that sets the distance so all this stays to where it should be. So what I do is I have my high saw already to go. Get that mixing in the tubes. I have my rag sitting here. My alcohol ready to go. I like to shoot a little bit into the rag and make sure we're good to go. First, my screwdrivers are ready to go. So then I first take and I put as much in the hole as it'll hold. Kind of force it in there a little bit. Do both of them like that. Then I'm kind of gonna let that sink in just a little bit. While that's sinking in, I just like to wet these areas with just a little bit. See how I can get it onto the inside of that one there. Just a little bit, and just use the tip there to smear it, just so that you have everything wet. Just put a little more on there. And it's wet. Sit it on my towel. I take my little screwdriver here and I just poke it down into the hole a little bit. Make sure I can see if I can get how much of the material down into the hole. Like that. Then I'll take and finish topping that off with just a little bit more high saw, and then I'll smear a little bit here. You'll usually get quite a bit that comes up out, so it doesn't matter, but I put a little bit there. Then when you insert this piece in, you get that little bit of squish. You can see how it squishes out just a little bit. Then you just take this screwdriver here, that's how I do it, and I just peel that off, put it on my rag. If you do it carefully, you won't have much at all. Like that. And just want to make sure that you're good and set, and that you're over the hinge line with your bolt. Make sure you're over the hinge line. I just make sure I'm good and pressured in there. And then when it's all done, then you just peel this tape off. And if you did it right, you shouldn't have any cleanup with your alcohol. I fold the tape over on one side so it's easy to grab. So that should be all you have to do. And it's all done, cleaned. Make sure it's in when you get done, and then set it aside for 12 hours and you're done. And then just move on to the next one and do them as you go. I do them all at once.